Hello students, so today I am going to start the remaining examples of this article homogeneous differential equation of exercise 6.4. In previous video lecture we completed first 7 examples almost all. So from today I am now start from the example number 8. So let us see the example number 8. We have to solve the differential equation. Obviously first order differential equation. So example number 8. Write the equation 1 plus e to the power x by y dx plus e to the power x by y into 1 minus x by y dy is equal to 0. So here is clear factor, that is x by y, x by y, x by y. Means what? We have to differentiate with respect to y. Means we have to put x is equal to u y or v y. So this is clear. He has given this term. So this is signal that what we have to put x by y is equal to u. So first of all dx by dy में convert करेंगे example. So 1 plus e to the power x by y into dx by dy. So this positive term transferred to right side becomes negative e to the power x by y in bracket 1 minus x by y. Right? Now we write dx by dy. So dx by dy में लिखना है या dy by dx में लिखना है, that is very important. This term indicates what we have to write dx by dy. Right? So dx by dy ये term right में divide हो जाएंगे 1 plus e to the power x by y. Negative becomes positive e to the power x by y in bracket 1 minus x by y की जगह पर x by y minus 1. Now this is equation first. Now substitute, put here x by y is equal to u. This indicate x is equal to u into y. u और v to be same. u लो नहीं तो v भी ले सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. So differentiate with respect to y, dx by dy is equal to u into 1 plus y into du by dx, du by dy. With respect to y, first into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first, that is with respect to y. So here, therefore, equation first becomes, प्रोसीजर absolutely सेम है, सिर्फ यहाँ पर ही x by y टर्म है, that's why we have to write in terms of dx by dy. So इक्वेशन फर्स्ट की लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ये बन जाएगी u प्लस y इंटू du by dy इज इक्वल टू e रेस टू u इन ब्रैकेट u माइनस 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 1 प्लस e रेस टू u. सो नाउ सो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का जो प्लस u है राइट साइड में माइनस u हो जाएगा. सो दिस बिकम्स y इंटू du बाय dy इज इक्वल टू u इंटू e रेस टू u माइनस e रेस टू u डिवाइडेड बाय 1 प्लस e रेस टू u माइनस u प्लस u राइट को माइनस u e रेस टू u ने अंदर मल्टीप्लाई किया u इंटू e रेस टू u माइनस e रेस टू u. नाउ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन u e रेस टू u माइनस e रेस टू u माइनस u इंटू e रेस टू u डिवाइडेड बाय 1 प्लस e रेस टू u. दिस पॉजिटिव टर्म दिस नेगेटिव टर्म कैंसल. सो इन द न्यूमरेटर टेकिंग माइनस साइन कॉमन u प्लस e रेस टू u divided by 1 plus e raised to u. Left hand side absolutely same y into du by dy. So प्रोसेस वही है, सिर्फ आपको कैलकुलेट करना है वेरिएबल. अब इसके बाद हम वेरिएबल सेपरेट करेंगे. नाउ दिस इज रिड्यूसिबल इनटू द वेरिएबल सेपरेबल फॉर्म. इधर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में du है, सो कंप्लीट टर्म टू द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड बिकम्स रेसिप्रोकल 1 प्लस e रेस्ड टू u डिवाइडेड बाय u प्लस e रेस्ड टू u du. So I told you that there is minus sign, so keep always to the right side, that is better for the calculation. this minus sign multiplied by y, 1 by y dy. 1 by y dy. So now after this integrating on both sides, integrating on both sides, integration 1 plus e raised to u divided by u plus e raised to u du is equal to minus 1 by y dy plus c. So every time result लिखना जरूरी है. This is f of x, this is f dash of x, f of u, f dash of u. u का डेरिवेटिव 1, e raised to u का डेरिवेटिव e raised to with respect to u. So mention here result f dash of x upon f of x is equal to log of f of x plus c. So this is log of u plus e raised to u is equal to minus log y plus log c. Right, instead of c, log c. This is an arbitrary constant. Now left hand side as it is, keep as it is. Log of u plus e raised to u is equal to log c by y. Log c minus log y, log c by y. So by property of logarithm, this log will be eliminated. So we write u plus e raised to u is equal to c by y. Now finally replace u, that is x by y. This y transport to left hand side. Y into x by y plus e raised to x by y is equal to c, and this is a required solution. Is required general solution. So what we have to find, what we have to solve? This differential equation. Means we have to find the general solution of this differential equation. So this term, this factor indicate we have to write this differential equation into dx by dy form, right? Then regular procedure, x by y is equal to u, x is equal to uy, and solve this. You will get the integrating on both sides. After separating the variables, integrating on both sides, solve this, you will get the particular, that is the general solution of this differential equation. So this is the process to solve the homogeneous differential equation. अभी जो भी चल रहा है ये प्रैक्टिस है. सब टर्म्स मैंने, सब कंसेप्ट इसके प्रीवियस सब वीडियो लेक्चर में मैंने बताए. अब एग्जांपल की प्रैक्टिस चल रही है. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट द एग्जांपल नंबर 9. So let us start the example number 9 now. So this is also homogeneous differential equation. 1 plus 1 2 second degree homogeneous equation. So example number 9 now. Let y square minus x square dy by dx is equal to x into y dy by dx. So there are two terms of dy by dx. Collect to the right side. This is xy dy by dx plus x square dy by dx is equal to what? Y square. Though dy by dx की term means we have to taking common dy by dx. So this is xy plus x square dy by dx is equal to y square. Finally write dy by dx. That is our first step, which is very important. Y square divided by xy plus x square equation first. So यही इक्वेशन फर्स्ट होना चाहिए dy by dx, either dy by dx or sometimes rare time dx by dy. So next we have to put here y is equal to v into x, which implies v is equal to y by x. लास्ट टाइम जैसे यहाँ पर ऐसा कुछ फैक्टर डिफाइंड नहीं है, क्लियर आइडेंटिफाइड नहीं है. सो यहाँ पर सब्स्टिट्यूट हमारा जो आइडियल सब्स्टिट्यूशन है सुटेबल है, दैट इज y इज इक्वल टू v इंटू एक्स. सो नाउ डिफरेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x dy by dx v इंटू 1 प्लस x इंटू dv by dx. सो देयरफॉर इक्वेशन फर्स्ट becomes So now what equation first? dy by dx. So replace dy by dx is this v plus x into dv by dx. So therefore v plus x into dv by dx, right side y square v square x square, v square x square divided by xy v into x plus x square. So this v square x square, taking x square common, in bracket v plus 1. So this x square cancel, v square divided by v plus 1, left hand side x into dv by dx, x into dv by dx. So this plus v to the right hand side becomes minus v. This is a regular procedure. Plus v to the right side becomes what? Minus v. Cross multiplication, v square minus v divided by v plus 1. V square minus v. This plus v square cancel. Here is minus v divided by v plus 1. This x into dv by dx. अब यहाँ पर हम वेरिएबल सेपरेट करेंगे. देयर आर टू वेरिएबल्स x एंड v. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में dv है, सो टोटल टर्म्स ऑफ v ट्रांसफर टू लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. what is that process? Taking exactly reciprocal means what? v plus 1 divided by v dv. Keep this minus and always to right side. X upon dx is into dx. Single step variable separation. This is important step. After separating the variable, integrating. On both side. सिर्फ इंटीग्रेट करना है. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑब्वियसली विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू v है, राइट हैंड साइड ऑब्वियसली विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू व्हाट? x है. सो नाउ सेपरेट डिवाइड भी करेंगे एट ए टाइम. v अपॉन v प्लस 1 बाय v dv इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1 बाय x dx प्लस c. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 प्लस 1 बाय v dv is equal to 1 by x dx plus c. Integration of 1 with respect to is v plus log v minus log x plus c. अब मैंने यहाँ पर log c क्यों नहीं लिखा? बिकॉज लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में ऑल टर्म्स लॉगरिथम के क्या नहीं है. सो no need to write c instead of c log c. Is it clear? Because if every term is in the form of logarithm, then we can write log c. Okay. Now final two steps here. V is what? V is y by x plus log y by x plus log x is equal to c. Y by x plus log y by x into x is equal to c. राइट साइड का माइनस लॉग एक्स, लेफ्ट को प्लस लॉग एक्स. लॉग एम प्लस लॉग एन इज लॉग एम इंटू एन. दिस एक्स कैंसल एंड दिस इज द रिक्वायर्ड जनरल solution. You mention this line, that is your answer. Highlight the answer with box or a double underline here, and this is the required general solution of this number 9 homogeneous differential equation. Is it clear? So let us start the example number 10. Now let us see the example number 10. So he has given this differential equation, but he has given some condition. Means y of 1 is equal to 0, means x is equal to 1 and y is equal to what? 0. Means he has given the condition. Means what? We have to find the particular solution of this differential equation. Is it clear? So let us start the example number 10. बहुत ही simple ये भी. Example number 10. xy dy by dx is equal to x square plus 2y square. डिवाइड करो डायरेक्टली. dy by dx is equal to एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2y स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय एक्स वाई. एक्स बाय वाई हो जाएगा, ये वाई बाई एक्स हो जाएगा. सो लिव एज इट इज. इक्वेशन फर्स्ट है. नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूट हियर. y is equal to v into x. This implies y is equal to v is equal to y by x. Okay. So differentiate with respect to x dy by dx. v into 1 plus x into dv by dx. So ये सब्स्टिट्यूशन होमोजीनियस के लिए बहुत ही सुटेबल है, बहुत ही आइडियल है. So y is equal to v into x. So this is v plus x into dv by dx is equal to x square plus 2x square v square x square divided by x into vx. So taking x square common, 1 plus 2v square divided by vx square. This x square cancel. 1 plus 2v square divided by v. Left hand side is v plus x into dv by dx. So बहुत ही सिंपल टॉपिक है ये. हर एग्जाम्पल एक जैसा है, सिर्फ आपको प्रोसीजर फॉलो करना है. एक बार प्रोसीजर फॉलो हो गई तो एग्जाम्पल का आंसर बन जाएगा ये. So this is now process what plus u राइट को v राइट साइड को ट्रांसफर करेंगे. x into dv by dx is equal to plus v राइट साइड 1 plus 2v square by v, ये माइनस v. Now what? 1 plus 2v square minus v square divided by v. 1 plus v square by v x into dv by dv. Now what? Variable separation. v upon 1 plus v square dv 1 by x dx. 1 by x dx. So right side का total term left hand side को by taking its reciprocal, integrating on both sides. v upon 1 plus v square dv 1 by x dx plus c. Now 2 से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करो 1 by 2 2v. बिकॉज ऑफ व्हाट? डिनोमिनेटर का ऊपर डेरिवेटिव एडजस्ट करना है. देन दैट विल बिकम्स f dash of x upon f of x, and integration of this is what? log of f of x plus c. 1 plus v square का डेरिवेटिव 1 का 0, v square का 2v. So 1 by 2 log of 1 plus v square is equal to log x plus log c. log x plus log c हाफ पावर में जाएगा. सो रूट 1 plus v square is equal to log x into c. Now log will be eliminated by using the property of logarithm. This is under root 1 plus v square is equal to x into c. Under root 1 plus v square is equal to x into c. What is v? Y by x. So this is under root 1 plus y square by x square is equal to x into c. Under root x square plus y square upon x only, taking square root of x square. Square root of x square is x after cross multiplication. So this is under root x square plus y square is equal to x square into c. So it equation second. So this equation second is actually our general solution, but he has given condition. So given y of 1 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. So y is a function of x. Y is a function of x means x is equal to how much? 1, and y is equal to 0. 1 plus 0 under root 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 into c. So this implies c is equal to 1. 1 का स्क्वायर 1, 0 का स्क्वायर 0, 1 plus 0 1, 1 का स्क्वायर रूट 1, 1 into c is c, c is equal to 1. So therefore equation second becomes under root x square plus y square is equal to x square, and this is required. But write what? Particular solution. A particular solution because we satisfy the condition of that what y of 1 is equal to 0. So that's why the required solution is nothing general solution. It is what? Particular solution. So this is example number 10. अभी 10 example हुआ है. Let us start the example number now 11. Let us see the example number 11 now. Again particular solution because x is equal to 2 and y is equal to what? 1. So see the example number 11. That is x into dy. X into dy plus 2y dx is equal to 0. So first of all इधर डिवाइड करो, ये इधर डिवाइड हो जाएगा. dy by dx plus 2y by x is equal to 0. 2y by x is equal to 0. So ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में डिवाइड पॉसिबल है बिकॉज राइट साइड में क्या है? 0. So this is dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to minus 2 by x. Equation first. Put here y is equal to v into x. यही सब्स्टिट्यूशन है which implies y by x is equal to v. y by x is equal to कितना है? v है. So इसका डिफरेंशिएशन dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to v into 1 plus x into dv by dx. So equation first becomes, this equation first is v plus x into dv by dx is equal to 2v is equal to what? 2v. y by x कितना है? v है. ये dy by dx पे क्या रखना है आपको? ये रखना है v plus x into dv by dx. now important what? x into dv by dx, a 2v minus v plus v राइट साइड को माइनस v. So therefore x into dv by dx is equal to only v. So 1 by v dv is equal to 1 by x dx. 1 by v dv is equal to 1 by x dx. So we are integrating both sides. इंटीग्रेटिंग ऑन बोथ साइड, दोनों साइड का इंटीग्रेशन 1 by v dv is equal to 1 by x dx राइट प्लस c. सो अभी ये कंपल्सरी यहाँ पर लॉगरिथम आने वाला है. log v is equal to log x plus what? log c. apply the property of logarithm. log v is equal to log xc, x into c. log m plus log n is what? log m into n. So log m is equal to log n means m is equal to n. This is the important property of logarithm. So now here we write v is equal to xc. v is what? y by x. y by x is equal to xc. y is equal to x square into c. Equation second. Y is equal to x square into c. This is a general solution, but he has given the condition when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. So therefore 1 is equal to 4 into c So c is equal to 1 by 4. The value of integral constant, that is arbitrary constant, is 1 by 4. So therefore equation second becomes, so इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है कि जो c की वैल्यू आई 1 by 4 ऊपर रखना है. So that equation becomes what? Either put this value in equation second becomes, so y is equal to x square into 1 by 4. So 4y is equal to x square, or x square minus 4y is equal to 0 is a required particular solution. So c की जगह पर 1 by 4 रखा, for either 4y is equal to x square, 4y minus x square is equal to 0, or x square minus 4y is equal to 0. So this is the particular solution of this example number 11. So number 10, number 11 are absolutely on the particular solution. So this condition indicates what? We have to find the particular solution. So let us complete the next example number 12 after immediate this. Now example number 12. So look at the example number 12. ये सब easy example है, आप भी solve कर सकते हैं इसको. x square dy by dx is equal to x square plus xy plus y square. So this is the, write the example. X square into dy by dx is equal to x square xy y square. Second degree homogeneous differential equation. So this is, we can divide by x square every term. dy by dx x square plus xy plus y square divided by x square. So x square by x square, xy by x square, y square by x square, 1 y by x plus y by x square. Left hand side only dy by dx. So now no doubt here, we have to put directly y by x is equal to u. y by x means with respect to x हमें differentiate करना है, means dy by dx लिखना है. So put here y by x is equal to u. वही है, y is equal to vx. This indicate y by x is equal to v. Okay. So now y by x अगर v है तो हमें उसको differentiate करना है with respect to x differentiate करना है. So dy by dx, that is left hand side. So dy by dx is equal to v into 1 x into dv by dx. u into v का रूल डेरिवेटिव है, u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. First into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. So therefore equation first becomes, so therefore v plus x into dv by dx 1 plus v plus v square, 1 plus v plus v square. This is 1 plus v plus v square. Left hand side v plus x into dv by dx, प्लस v माइनस v कैंसल. नहीं तो ये प्लस v राइट को माइनस v करो, वही बन जाएगा प्लस v माइनस v 0. डायरेक्टली कैंसिल किया तो भी चलेगा. सो x इंटू डी वी बाई डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस वी स्क्वायर. सो नाउ हमें वेरिएबल सेपरेट करना है. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में डी वी है, सो सिर्फ v को नहीं ले जा सकते हम, इधर पूरा 1 प्लस वी लेना पड़ेगा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड बाई इट्स रेसिप्रोकल 1/1 प्लस वी स्क्वायर dv. x right side 1 by x dx. so this is the separation of variable. so ये important है, ये दो पार्ट ऑफ कैलकुलेशन है, फंडामेंटल मैथमेटिक्स है, शिफ्टिंग ऑफ टर्म्स. so now integrating on both sides. One by x dx plus u. So integration of left hand side is tan inverse v. tan इनवर्स v का डेरिवेटिव क्या है 1/1 प्लस वी स्क्वायर, दैट्स अ 1/1 प्लस वी स्क्वायर का इंटीग्रेशन tan इनवर्स v, राइट साइड का log x प्लस सी। सो इसको log c लिखना अभी जरूरी नहीं है बिकॉज इधर टर्म log की नहीं है, सो नो नीड टू राइट c इंस्टेड ऑफ c log c, सो इट इज अ नाउ एज यूजुअल। सो दिस इज अ tan इनवर्स v is y by x is equal to log x plus c, and this is or required जनरल सॉल्यूशन। ओके, सो ये 12 नंबर एग्जाम्पल है। सो दिस इज अ वेरी सिंपल प्रोसेस ऑफ solution of differential equation, and that differential equation is what? Homogeneous differential equation. So today I completed 5 examples from the same exercise 6.4. 12 example तक हुए हैं। So और 3 example बाकी है 13, 14 and 15. We will take these examples on next video lecture. So today is sufficient. I will stop here. Thank you very much.